Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers and mothers to be. I hope you had yourself a wonderful time, and I hope you received all of the love that you deserve. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designz. Please excuse my voice. I'm dealing with some allergies and stuff, and it's just a little dry right now. I don't know. Today I'm going to talk about this t-shirt that I am wearing. It's a pattern by Life So Savory. It's the women's fitted t-shirt pattern. This pattern runs in sizes extra small to extra large, and the size that I made in this pattern is a medium. And I am learning that even though I am going according to the measurements of the pattern, I'm going to have to size down in most patterns, period. For this pattern, I did the size medium. And if you can see, it has quite a bit of room in it. And for a fitted tee, I would like for it to fit just a little bit closer. So when I make this pattern again, I will make it in a size small. It came with cap sleeves, but I wanted a quarter sleeve, and I drafted my own sleeve pattern when I started early on in the Sew It Academy. So I went ahead and used that sleeve pattern. I did match up the shoulder parts of the patterns to make sure that they were pretty much the same, and they did. I just needed the length. So that's what I did, because I did want quarter sleeves. Yep. And I wore this for Mother's Day. Very comfortable. This is a Montreal knit, which I purchased from Hobby Lobby back in September of 2021. And you've also seen this fabric in the Aronica dress, which I made for my daughter, the previous video. Fabric is very nice, very soft. So for this pattern, you do have to draft your own neckband. And I used a neckband that I self-drafted during one of Mimi G's courses through the Sew It Academy. Now, I started to pin that on, and I could tell that that neckband was just way too small. I was going to try to have to ease in too much extra fabric, and it wasn't going to turn out right. So what I ended up doing, I took my measuring tape and I measured all the way around the neckband, and I got a measurement of 28.5. Now, originally the width was 2 inches, and when you fold it over, it would be 1 inch once put onto the shirt. But I had the bright idea to go ahead and make my neckband width 3 inches, which gave me a 1.5 inch width once I put it on. But because this neckband is so wide and so big, when I did that, it was very gapey and it wasn't laying as it should. So instead of ripping through all of these horrible serger stitches, I simply folded the neckband down in half to meet the previous serger stitches and just restitched around it, and it turned out great. Very pleased with it. Now, I would recommend this pattern for a beginner. It's very easy. There's only 4 pattern pieces: your front, your back, your neckband, and your sleeves. I did get a chance to wear this on Mother's Day. My mom, sister, and brothers, they all came over and their families, and we had a taco bar. We decided to opt out of eating out this year and do something different, and we chose a taco bar. Very fun to have all of the family and nieces and nephews over. My husband did have to work, but he made it home just in time for the festivities. So we had a wonderful time, and we all took pictures in my studio. But it was a good time. I'm so glad. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it, and definitely keep sewing.